NFPA 780, Lightning Protection Systems. Table of Contents. Chapter 1, Administration. Scope, Purpose, Listed, Labeled, or Approved Components. Retroactivity. Mechanical Execution of Work. Maintenance, Units of Measurement. Chapter 2, Referenced Publications. General, NFPA publications, other publications, references for extracts in mandatory sections. Chapter 3, Definitions. General, NFPA official definitions, general definitions. Chapter 4, General Requirements. General materials, corrosion protection, mechanical damage or displacement, use of aluminum, strike termination devices. Strike termination devices on roofs. Zones of protection. Conductors. Conductor fasteners. Masonry anchors. Connector fittings. Grounding electrodes. Common bonding of grounded systems. Potential equalization. Bonding of metal bodies. Metal antenna masts and supports. Concealed systems. Structural metallic systems, surge protection. Chapter 5, Protection for miscellaneous structures and special occupancies. General. Masts, spires, flagpoles. Facilities that handle or process combustible or explosive dust. Metal towers and tanks. Air-inflated structures. Concrete tanks and silos. Guide structures. Rooftop helipads, fabric structures. Chapter 6, Protection for heavy-duty stacks. General. Materials, strike termination devices, conductors, fasteners, splices, reinforced concrete stacks, bonding of metal bodies, grounding, metal stacks, metal guy wires, and cables. Chapter 7, Protection for structures containing flammable vapors, flammable gases, or liquids that can give off flammable vapors. Applicability. Principles of protection. Protective measures. Protection of specific classes of structures. Chapter 8. Protection of structures housing explosive materials. Application. General. Types of lightning protection. Grounding, bonding, surge protection, protection for specific facilities, metallic fences, maintenance and inspection, inspection, testing, and maintenance. Chapter 9, Protection for wind turbines. General, fundamental principles of protection, protection of electrical and mechanical control systems, grounding. Chapter 10, Protection for watercraft. General, materials, strike termination, conductors, grounding. Chapter 11, Protection for air-filled lighting circuits. General, application, purpose, air-filled lighting counterpoise system. Chapter 12, Protection for solar arrays. General, fundamental principles of protection, strike termination devices, protection of electrical and mechanical systems, grounding. Annex A, explanatory material. Annex B, principles of lightning protection. Annex C, explanation of bonding principles. Annex D, inspection and maintenance of lightning protection systems. Annex E, ground measurement techniques. Annex F, protection for trees. Annex G, protection for picnic grounds, playgrounds, ballparks, or other open places. Annex H, protection for livestock in fields. Annex I, protection for parked aircraft. Annex J, protection of smart structures. Annex K, Guide to International Standards dealing with the selection of SPDs for use on photovoltaic installations. Annex L, Lightning Risk Assessment. Annex M, Guide for Personal Safety from Lightning. Annex N, Reserved. Annex O, Informational References.